Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit donuts. First, prepare your workspace by gathering all necessary ingredients, including a can of refrigerated biscuits, frying oil, and sugar for coating. Next, carefully separate each biscuit and use a small 1-inch round cutter or even a knife to create the donut holes. This step is crucial for even cooking. Finally, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a sturdy pot to a precise 350 degrees F, ensuring it's ready for frying. Now, let's get frying. Gently place 3 to 4 biscuit donuts into the preheated oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Overcrowding can lower the oil temperature and result in greasy donuts. Fry each side for about 60 to 90 seconds, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once cooked, use a slotted spoon to remove them, allowing any excess oil to drain off before the next step. With your donuts fried, it's time for the delicious glazes. For a classic taste, simply toss the warm donuts in a bowl of granulated sugar until evenly coated. If you prefer a sweeter, softer finish, dip them into a simple powdered sugar glaze. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try a cinnamon sugar mix or even a rich chocolate ganache for an extra special treat. And there you have it, your very own homemade biscuit donuts, ready to enjoy. For the absolute best flavor and texture, serve them warm and fresh. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. They make a fantastic breakfast or dessert. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.